Hi, I'm Ted, your virtualization strategy advisor at ITgility. Today, I'd like to share some important insights on a hot topic, rethinking virtualization in the wake of significant market shifts, particularly around VMware. As the virtualization landscape evolves, in light of changes to VMware's licensing and ownership, organizations must rethink their infrastructure strategies. Our consultative-led engagement model empowers you to modernize with confidence, aligning solutions with your unique business priorities, operational model, and financial objectives. We don't advocate a one-size-fits-all approach. Whether you choose to retain VMware, adopt open-source platforms, embrace HCI, or integrate with cloud-native services, we'll guide your journey with expertise, neutrality, and measurable outcomes. At ITgility, we believe modernization begins with understanding your goals, your environment, your constraints. Our consultative-led approach guides you through every step of the journey. Firstly, with our initial discovery phase, the objective is about understanding business drivers, risks, compliance needs, and cost pressures. With the alignment phase, we map your technical and financial requirements to the most appropriate platform paths. With the design phase, we create architecture-neutral blueprints tailored to your enterprise, mid-market, or regulated industry. With the transition phase, we plan migrations and implementations incorporating risk mitigation and deployment steps. With the optimization phase, it is all about ongoing improvement through automation, monitoring, and AI ops. Rethinking virtualization. There is no longer a single answer to virtualization. Today's organizations require the flexibility to modernize infrastructure in a way that balances cost, control, resilience, and agility. Whether you're investing in hyperconverged infrastructure, preserving your three-tier architecture, or building towards a cloud-native future, your virtualization platform must align with your business strategy, not just a vendor's roadmap. That's why our portfolio includes a broad spectrum of platforms, from enterprise incumbents to open-source leaders, designed to support the full range of use cases. Let's explore the virtualization platform shaping the modern enterprise landscape. First up, VMware, the longtime industry standard for feature-rich virtualization and enterprise integration. Ideal where continuity, stability, and ecosystem depth are critical. But rising licensing costs mean it's not always the right long-term fit. Also worth considering, Azure Local, Azure native services delivered on-premise, perfect for Microsoft-centric or Linux environments seeking consistent governance across hybrid deployments. Another strong option is Microsoft Hyper-V with failover clustering, a cost-effective Windows-native solution with high availability built in. It's ideal for mid-sized workloads and branch sites looking for licensing simplicity. Then there's HPE Morpheus, Virtual Machine Essentials software, a KVM-based alternative provided by HPE through Morpheus integration. Leveraging the Morpheus base, an automation-first platform for orchestrating VMs across multi-hypervisor environments. Think of it as private cloud self-service, without re-architecting your entire stack. We also offer Nutanix, a fully integrated hyperconverged platform with built-in virtualization. Simple, scalable, and predictable, especially where VMware isn't the right fit. Let us take a look at Scale Computing, lightweight, all-in-one infrastructure designed for the edge, fast to deploy, low overhead, ideal for remote, SME, or distributed use cases. Let's not forget OpenShift Virtualization, Red Hat's OpenShift with VM support, bridging traditional infrastructure and modern containers, a natural choice for DevOps-led hybrid environments. And finally, Oracle Linux Virtual Machine, Oracle's KVM-based virtualization stack, ideal for licensing alignment in Oracle environments, cost-effective, compliant, and efficient for Oracle-heavy workloads. Why we offer multiple virtualization options. No two organizations have the same IT landscape or the same journey to modernization. Your virtualization strategy must align with evolving business requirements, technology life cycles, and financial models. Our platform-agnostic approach gives you the flexibility to, first, optimize for licensing strategy. Choose platforms that align with existing vendor commitments and software licensing models. For example, VMware or Oracle Linux Virtual Machine. Next, simplify operations through HCI. Embrace hyperconverged infrastructure to reduce complexity and improve operational efficiency. For example, a Nutanix, scale computing, Azure Local, or VMware. Another critical consideration, transition gradually to cloud native. Support containerization and DevOps while retaining traditional workloads, for example, OpenShift. And equally important, enable hybrid cloud governance, retain control of on-prem resources while integrating with cloud-native toolsets, for example, Azure Local or Morpheus. Why so many options? Because your needs are not static, and neither is the market. The right virtualization platform depends on several dynamic factors. Start with cost models. Do you require capital investment through CapEx, or is a subscription-based OpEx model more aligned with your business strategy? Then consider platform dependencies. What existing tools, skills, and licenses are in place, and how will they influence your migration path or supportability? Also, think about operational maturity. Do you have the in-house capabilities to support complex environments, or are automation and simplification critical enablers? Security and compliance must never be overlooked. Your platform needs to support regulatory requirements and data sovereignty policies, especially in highly regulated sectors. And finally, assess your cloud alignment. How well does your platform integrate with Azure, AWS, or containerized services, and is hybrid or multi-cloud part of your long-term roadmap? We don't prescribe one path. We provide a guided roadmap that adapts to your priorities and constraints. Stay with VMware, where it still delivers value and maturity. Transition to open platforms, or HCI, where agility and cost matter. Build towards cloud-native operations at your pace. In today's hybrid IT landscape, modernizing your virtual infrastructure goes far beyond hypervisors and platforms. It's about securing, protecting, recovering, observing, and optimizing every layer of your environment. Let's start with cybersecurity. We help you strengthen your security posture with a zero-trust aligned approach. That includes micro-segmentation, using tools like VMware NSX or Illumio to control east-west traffic. We also integrate privileged access management via enterprise solutions like BeyondTrust. And we enhance protection through next-gen firewalls, SIEM integration, and cyber recovery solutions that create immutable, air-gapped backup copies, ensuring resilience against ransomware. Next, disaster recovery as a service in the cloud or on-prem. Reduce risk and DR costs with Veeam Continuous Data Protection or Zerto, enabling real-time replication and automated failover. For traditional environments, we support storage-based replication using standalone platforms. For flexibility, we leverage Azure or AWS as DR targets, eliminating the need for dedicated secondary data centers. These solutions support both virtual and physical workloads, offering tiered recovery aligned with your ARTO/RPO goals and budget. Let's talk backup. We modernize your data protection strategy using Veeam or Commvault, integrated with deduplication appliances like Dell Data Domain, HPE Store Once, or Exagrid. Protect backups with immutable storage and object locking, your best defense against ransomware. And automate everything, from backup policy enforcement to lifecycle management. Finally, gain full visibility and automation with AI Ops. Morpheus is your integration and automation hub, connecting observability, cost analytics, and telemetry across your environment. Use tools like Elastic Splunk, Prometheus, and Grafana, all seamlessly integrated via Morpheus. Leverage AI-powered workload optimization, proactive cost control, and centralized dashboards for backup status, performance, and security posture. Morpheus acts as the control layer for AI ops, unifying operations across VMware, Azure Local, Nutanix, and beyond. Let us help you align your virtualization strategy with your broader IT and business goals, balancing cost, control, compliance, and future flexibility. Flexible infrastructure consumption is the future direction. Align your business strategy to CapEx or OpEx to suit your business needs and budget constraints. In a world where cloud services have set a new standard for consumption-based pricing, modern data centers must evolve to offer similar flexibility, scalability, and financial transparency. That's why we support both capital expenditure, CapEx, and operational expenditure, OpEx models, allowing you to choose a model that best fits your financial strategy, growth expectations, and risk profile. Morpheus Enterprise Software is our strategic integration and orchestration platform, the control plane across your virtualization, cloud, backup, AIOps, and ITSM environments. It connects hyperscalers, hypervisors, and containers such as Azure Cloud, AWS, VMware, Nutanix, Azure Local, and Kubernetes to a single controlling plane, to name a few. It connects tools like Veeam, Zerto, Elastic Stack, Splunk, ServiceNow, and many more. It integrates infrastructure automation with Ansible, Terraform, Helm, and native APIs. Think of Morpheus as the digital conductor for your hybrid IT orchestra, automating governance, policy, provisioning, and observability. When it comes to modernizing your virtual infrastructure, you need more than just a vendor. You need a partner. Our multi-vendor certified team brings unbiased platform guidance, backed by deep technical delivery experience across VMware, Azure, Nutanix, and more. With a secure-by-design methodology, we align your solution with leading frameworks, including POPIA, GDPR, FSCA, and NIST. Our strength lies in integrating both local infrastructure and cloud-native services, helping you balance agility with in-country compliance. We measure success where it matters, with outcome-led delivery tied directly to your business KPIs, not just technical completion. Modern infrastructure needs more than technology. It needs the right partner. Let's modernize together. Whether you're optimizing for licensing, embracing hybrid cloud, or shifting to a platform that aligns with your strategy, we're here to guide your journey. Our platform-agnostic approach, deep technical capability, and business-aligned methodology ensures you make the right decisions with confidence. Book your virtualization readiness workshop, explore your CapEx versus OpEx roadmap, and take the next step beyond the cloud.